What's up guys, I'm Lori from GuideRev, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own free website. By the end of this video, you'll have a website that looks like this. So before we start, you need to click the first link below of this video, and it will take you to this page. The name of this site is Buildera. Buildera is the easiest web builder in the world. Make converting websites, funnels, and online stores, and it makes all possible with a few clicks. To start, click on Let's Get Started. Complete these items to create an account. But I already have an account, so I'll just log in. As you can see, here are many templates, and you can explore tons of different templates, and really what I recommend doing is starting with one that looks like what you want your website to look like, and then we'll go in and drag and drop and replace items on the website. Click on View. Start with this theme. Pick a name for your website. Click Submit. If you want a new color for the website, you can change it here, and click Go to My Site. To change any text on the page, click on it. To change an image, click on the image and then Edit Image. Plus, upload a file. Choose the image. Wait until it loads. Click on Image. Select, and that's it. Now, let's move on to this bar. Here we have all the pages included in the site. If you want to delete, click on this icon and delete. Here is Add Widget. If you want to add some new sections to the site. For example, if you want a big image, drag and drop the selected icon. Here is Global Styling. Here is Funnels, Website Settings, and here Website Preview. To edit the above pages, click on one of them, and we edit just like on the previous page. If you have finished editing, click Save. To see this site, click Preview and show a new tab. So this is your site, and this is the domain. All these options that I have shown are free, but there are also limitations. For example, you only have 14 days free trial, or the domain is not personal. But you can eliminate all this if you want to pay $20 a month with the link in the description. You can see the plans here. So if you liked the video and found something valuable, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.